Hey there, tech enthusiasts! Today I'm diving into the fascinating world of data mining. Ever wondered how companies predict trends or recommend your favorite products? That's the magic of data mining. So, what exactly is data mining? In simple terms, it's the process of analyzing large datasets to discover patterns, correlations, and insights. Think of it as finding hidden treasures within mountains of data. Now let's talk applications. In retail, data mining helps businesses understand customer behavior, optimize stock levels, and enhance customer service. In healthcare, it's used to predict disease outbreaks, personalize treatments, and improve patient care. And in finance, data mining helps detect fraud, assess risks, and make more informed investment decisions. But why is data mining so important? With the explosion of data in our digital age, making sense of all this information is crucial. Data mining enables smarter decision-making, drives innovation, and gives companies a competitive edge. It's transforming industries and shaping our future. Curious to learn more? Drop any questions or terminologies you want me to cover in the comments below. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more tech insights. Data mining is not just about numbers, it's about understanding the story behind the data. From social media trends to market analysis, data mining touches every aspect of our lives. Educational institutions are also leveraging data mining to enhance learning experiences and outcomes. With advancements in AI and machine learning, the potential of data mining is limitless. So, whether you're a business owner, a healthcare professional, or just a curious mind, data mining has something valuable to offer. Share this video with your friends and colleagues to spread the knowledge. Thanks for watching, and stay tuned for more exciting tech content.